In this video, I'm gonna show you step by step how to create a Binance account and also do the identity verification. I'm gonna show you everything on my computer so you can easily follow along with this video. The easiest way to create an account is just tap the link in my description below to go directly to the Binance account creation, or just go to binance.com. Once you are here, just click on register and you will get to the sign up page. Enter in your email address and hit the next button. Now you have to confirm your email address, open your email inbox and look for an email from Binance. This is what the email will look like. Open up the email, copy the codes and go back to Binance and paste it in here. Set your password. If you use the link from the description, then the referral ID should be filled in automatically. If not, enter the code you can see on screen now. You can also copy and paste it from the video description below. Applying my personal referral code, you will get a 10% discount on all of your trading fees that you will have to pay for each trade that you make on this exchange. Now hit the next button. Now to use your Binance account, you have to verify your identity. You will need an ID card, a passport, or a driver license. So choose your country and click Continue. Select your nationality. Now enter your personal information and ensure that it's consistent with your ID documents. Next, enter your residential address into the provided fields. Choose the ID document that you want to use for verification and click Continue. Here also just click Continue. Now you have two options. You can continue here on your computer or you can proceed with verification using Binance app. I personally recommend to use the Binance app because it's faster and easier. So take your smartphone, scan this QR code, and install the Binance application. Open the Binance app and log into your account. Type in your email and click Next. Type in your password and click Next. Enter the verification code from the email inbox. For now you can skip the step with the passkey, just press the cancel button. And after that, you will be automatically redirected to the verification page. Choose the ID document that you want to use for verification and click Continue. Here also just click Continue. Now you have to take a picture of your ID document and make sure it's easily readable. Just click the Add button and take photos of your documents. After you took photos, just click Continue. Next, you will need to do a facial recognition scan. They are basically just checking to make sure you're a real person. Just center your face in the frame and follow the on-screen instructions. Once you've done all that, it can take some time to get approved, but usually not longer than 15-20 minutes. Now you can switch back to your computer, click the refresh button, and you will be redirected to the Binance main page. We successfully created our Binance account, so the next crucial step is setting up the security. Simply click on your profile icon located in the top right corner, select Dashboard, navigate to the Account section, and then click on Security. To enhance your account security, I highly recommend adding your phone number. Click on Manage, then click on Add a phone number, and a confirmation code will be sent to your email. Enter this code here. Once confirmed, you can proceed to enter your phone number and then input the code sent to your phone. Click on Submit, and that's it, your phone is successfully linked for security. Let's go back to the security page. I highly recommend installing the Authenticator app for an added layer of security. It's a more secure method compared to using codes sent via email or phone number. Next to Authenticator app, select Manage, click on Enable Authenticator app, and your QR code will appear. Scan this code using an application that can be installed from the Google Play or the App Store. The recommended app for this is called Google Authenticator. Open your Authenticator app, then select Add a code and scan the code provided by Binance. After scanning, a 6-digit code will be updated in the application every 30 seconds. To ensure that your 2FA app is working correctly, please enter the current 6-digit code from the app here. This step confirms that your 2FA is set up correctly and functioning properly. This 6-digit code generated by the app can be used to confirm logins or authorize assets withdrawals. It acts as an additional layer of security for your Binance account. After completing these steps, you are ready to fund your account and dive into the exciting world of crypto. That is the end of this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more crypto tips and tutorials.